In today's Excel tutorial, we will be creating a simple class grading sheet for teachers and instructors to rate students based on scores. Whenever the student gets a specific score, it will return the rating based on the scorecard table. We will be using different Excel functions and tools to create this class grading sheet. Multiple if statements, creating a chart, applying conditional formatting to table rows based on a specific rating or score. Now let's get started. On this table, each student is assigned with a score. Using the if formula, each student will get a specific rating from the scorecard. This is the scorecard. This is where the instructor set the parameters for the class grading system. If a student gets a score of 95 and above, they will get an excellent rating. If a student gets a score of 90, but not exceeding 95, they will get a very good rating. The same idea goes for the rest of the table. To start, type in the if function. For the first condition, if the score is greater than or equal to 95, then the value if true should be excellent. This formula will require multiple if statements because the scorecard has 4 parameters. For the second condition, if the score is greater than or equal to 90, then the value should be very good. For the third condition, if the score is greater than or equal to 80, then the value should be good. For the fourth condition, if the score is greater than or equal to 75, then the value should be fair. Lastly, if none of these conditions are true, the value should return fail. What this means is that, if the score does not reach 75 or higher, then the student have failed. Close the formula. Hit enter, and see the results. We now have a grading system in place. If you change the parameters in your scorecard, the ratings of each student will also change. You can set different parameters to set the bar higher or lower for your students. Let's add conditional formatting to highlight the rows with failed ratings, so you can easily identify the students that need help with your subject. Highlight the data on your table. Click Home, go to Conditional Formatting, and select Manage Rules. On the dialog box, select New Rule. Then select this option. On the formula bar, type in this formula. Click the Format button, and select your preferred format. For this example, I am formatting the cell with a red fill, and set the font to bold and white color. Click OK, then click Apply. The rows with the failed rating are now highlighted with the formatting style that you have selected. To add a chart, highlight the student column, then holding the Control button, highlight the score column. Go to Insert, and select this chart. You can select other charts of your preference. We'll just use this simple bar chart for this example. Let us add data labels. You can also adjust the size of the labels if you find it too large for you. We now have a complete grading system with a dynamic rating system, formatted rows to identify specific values on your table, and a chart to visualize your data. That's it for this video. If you have any question or feedback, please leave a comment below. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. A practice sheet is also available on the description below. Thank you for watching.